Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update, of course. And there's enough to talk about in this update again. And if you're new to the channel, then what I do is I cover Luna Classic daily. I'll give you my thoughts on it. I'll give you the chances of rallying. I'll give you the different possibilities, the different scenarios. Hopefully everything you need to know. All right, that's at least what I try. So that's what we're going to try again in this video. And like I said, there's enough to talk about, so let's just get right into it. Luna Classic on its own, like we talked yesterday, the price was very low, right? And we talked about the possibility of Luna Classic potentially going a bit higher here, finding resistance. And what I said yesterday is that I expected it to eventually still drop down to 15,000, which is a super strong support level down here. And then from there, I thought a rally was possible. But luckily, on the one hand, even though we are not sure yet where it's going to take us, luckily we got some strong bullish momentum in the markets yesterday. All right, so Bitcoin was very strong because of some interest rate news. I won't bother you with that, but if you do want to know about that, check out my Bitcoin video, the first 2 minutes, and you'll know. But Luna Classic, because of that, actually did get some bullish momentum. All right, the price went up, and you can see the open interest went up a little bit as well. Which is good, and that's also reflected in the price. The 28 and the 50 EMA were strong resistance, broke above that. So for the first time in quite some time, Luna Classic is at least not completely bearish anymore. Now, I would certainly not say it's bullish, all right? I certainly wouldn't. I think fundamentally Luna Classic is still bullish. I think in the long term it's bullish, but right now technically it still is quite weak, all right? So I think there's one important question we need to ask, and I don't have the answer to that, unfortunately. But we have to ask ourselves: is this bullish momentum because of Bitcoin's bullish momentum? Which, if you look at the correlation, Bitcoin's and Luna Classic's correlation is quite high overall, so that's the probable reason. But it could also be because of a proposal we have that's ending in 5 days. Now, about burning 800 million USDC, I think, or Luna Classic. I think Luna Classic burning that, it's a signal proposal, so that doesn't mean that it will happen. And it also seems unlikely that it will pass, if you look at the statistics here. But if that passes, that's bullish, all right? But right now, it's... I don't think that's causing this bullish momentum. But if that were to cause the bullish momentum, then there's a chance that we can rally here, right? And just in general, for those who don't know, the magic level is 19,500. If Luna Classic, for whatever reason, I mean, we could get news after this video that I don't know about right now. If for whatever reason we break above that, we're rallying and I'm buying, all right? But it doesn't seem likely that we'll break above that now. It's definitely, I do think it's more likely now that Luna Classic will consolidate up here. And then maybe if Bitcoin falls down, maybe then we'll still get down to 15,000 and 16,000. But I think stability for Luna Classic is actually a good thing now because, like I said, long term, fundamentally, it's still bullish. So it's just waiting for that fundamental push, and you can better get that fundamental bullish push from a consolidation than from a downtrend, right? So yeah, that's what you need to remember. Like I said, I don't think the proposal really is going to do anything. But 19,500, main level to break. But for now, I expect stability. And that's also reflected in the open interest, by the way, which is pretty stable. So yeah, I would just wait. If you're a long-term holder, I would just keep holding. If you're a trader, I would wait for some confirmation. If Luna Classic starts falling down below 17,500, then it becomes more and more likely that we will actually drop down to 15,500. That wouldn't actually be a bad thing, I think, because that is a very strong support. And from there, I do think we can make some nice moves. But we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that at least. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Check out my premium and signal group down in the description if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.